Hi teacher, good evening. My name is Gerardo Calderón Estrella and today I'm going to talk about a success story from Peru. Gaston Acurio, the most famous Peruvian chef. He is not just a chef, he is also a writer, a businessman, a TV host, and he is considered the largest representative of Peruvian gastronomy. He was born on October 30 in 1967 in Lima. His love for gastronomy started when he was just a child. He liked to test the different meals that the cook prepared at his home. Besides, he spent his money on special cooking ingredients to experiment with them and amaze his family members. He studied gastronomy at the Cordon Bleu in Paris, and there he met the German Astrid Gustet and his future wife. And on his return to Peru with his wife, they inaugurated the restaurant Astrid and Gaston in the Miraflores, Lima. Along the way of his professional life, Gaston learned that the recipe for success wasn't the emulate European traditions, but the rescued and published the tradition of our country. So he began to study flowers typical of Peru, reflecting culture diversity from Los Andes to the Amazon, and then create a menu 100% based on the traditional cooking of the country and transform his restaurant. Gaston Acurio, son of former senator and former conservative minister, um, Gaston Acurio Velarde and Jesusa Jaramillo Rasuri. He has a few sisters. Yes, he is half. She is only male child. He is married with Astrid Goschet, and they have two daughters. Gaston is considered a preparing, innovative, cheerful, friendly, and humble person. Gaston Acurio has managed to obtain some awards and awards. He has been named Entrepreneur of the Year by the magazine American Economy. In 2012, he has been considered the Peruvian of the Year for his achievement inside and outside the country. He's also been selected as one of the most influential chefs in the world. He has won the 2014 Chef Choice Award at the Best 50 Restaurants in Latin America ceremony. Well, I value and admire the personal virtues and qualities of Gaston Acurio, who with effort, perseverance, and innovative spirit that serves as motivation to Peruvians and foreigners. Well, teacher, that's all. Thank you.